Luckily, I discovered a method giving you total entry to the Google Play Store, bypassing the need for an emulator. This allows you to grab apps, enjoy games, and check social feeds. To start, Google Windows Subsystem for Android right now. Several results appear, but you must locate the GitHub site, specifically for WSA. When the page loads, look down to see the available versions listed. Pay close attention here. Ignore any versions labeled pre-release. Those are buggy and not suggested. Only choose the ones tagged stable. I am selecting the Windows 11 x64 stable option today. Go to the bottom of the page to find the Assets area. This is where the necessary files are kept. From this list, you must grab the file containing. Mind the gaps and removed Amazon. Often, it is at the top, ending with the .7z extension. Regarding support, Windows 11 handles this best. However, if you are on Windows 10 build 22H2 or newer, it might function as noted here. Before installation starts, one specific setting requires adjustment. Go to Search, type Turn Windows Features On or Off, and press Enter. A box appears. Look down through the options. To find Virtual Machine Platform, if unchecked, hit the box and reboot your computer. You need this enabled to prevent installation errors later. Next, find your download. Right-click the zip folder and unzip it with 7-zip. Other tools might work, but they often cause errors, so use 7-zip for the best results. After extracting, enter the new folder and locate the script named Run. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. PowerShell will open up, and automatic processing begins immediately. Simply wait a second. Soon, pop-ups appear. The initial window is the Settings menu for Windows Subsystem for Android. Select Advanced Settings and switch Developer Mode on. This is vital if you intend to sideload APK files afterward. With that finished, exit the Settings box. Return to the PowerShell window. It is paused there. Hit any button, and it shuts down on its own. Then, a notification asks to proceed. Accept it, and WSA starts installing. This requires a moment, so stay patient. When finished, launch WSA and check the Apps tab. You will notice Google Play Store is successfully added. To use it, go to your Windows search, type Play Store, and click it. Initially, it requires a Google account login. After signing in, the entire Play Store is available on your desktop. Let's try it out. I'm getting a small game to verify it works correctly. Here is some key info. This runs much better than old-school emulators. However, there is no key mapping, meaning complex gaming controls might not function perfectly here. After installing an app, launch it from this menu, or find it via your system search bar. That wraps up a guide, folks. If this quick video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. Goodbye, and catch you in the next video.